Arrive in style with this Ford 2017 Focus SE. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, CD player, radio data system, radio, AM/FM single CD MP3 capable, air conditioning, rear window defroster, power steering and power windows. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.